Let me first check if I can get a top condition second-hand car. How much does a second-hand car cost? Wow! What a car! It looks brand new. It's looking amazing from the inside out. I am so thrilled. It's going to be my road companion. What? It's damaged. Oh no. I can't believe this. Oh shit. This car is damaged from every side. The interior is also so cluttered and dirty. Excellent. All the mandatory documents are available. What? No documents are available. A car that gets quality repair from an excellent garage like MMC Garage always remains new. A car's lifespan and resale value will be reduced if it's not got a quality repair. Certified mechanics have a good deal of training to offer premium treatment for your car. Sorry, but an inexperienced mechanic does more harm to your car than any good. Always reach out to MMC Garage to save your car's future from stumbling.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.